Construction of Casamar Pompano Beach is now complete, and closing started this month, July of 2025. One of my buyers closed on their purchase of Casamar Unit 1703 for a purchase price of $3,428,535. Unit 1703 has private elevator entry, a flow-through floor plan with beautiful views of the ocean, Intracoastal and City, 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, 3,300 interior square feet, and 562 square feet of balconies. We went under contract for the purchase of this property during pre-construction in the spring of 2023. Casamar enjoys a prime location on the beach with 283 feet of beachfront and has a total of 118 residences. Luxury amenities and services at Casamar include Concierge, 24/7 front desk attendant, valet and garage parking, security, 2 swimming pools, a summer kitchen, fitness center, steam and sauna, lounge, 2 catering kitchens, golf simulator room, billiards, pickleball court, a variety of indoor and outdoor gathering areas, and more. This is such a beautiful property. I loved watching the construction progress and now seeing everything complete.